Easy soundboard routing, professional video backgrounds, and push-to-mute functionality. Hey creators, welcome to the first edition of Elgato Flashback. This will be a video series where we summarize and recap everything that's going on in the world of Elgato in the last couple months. From software releases and updates to new product features, incredible new plugins available for Stream Deck, and so much more. In this video, I'll be covering Wavelink 1.7, Camera Hub 1.6, Stream Deck 6.1, and new updates to OBS Studio and Twitch plugins. So let's get started. Starting us off is Wavelink 1.7, and let the soundboard trolling begin. You can use your Stream Deck as the ultimate and easiest soundboard or one of the many other available options out there. In the sound effects channel, you'll find a new checkbox. Tick this box, and any sound that plays through the sound effects channel is also routed to the microphone effects mix. Select the microphone effects mic input in Discord or your favorite game, and that's it. If you often switch between headset, speakers, and other audio outputs, you can now set Wavelink monitor device to your default Windows device. Nice! Alongside Wavelink 1.7, we've also updated the Wavelink Stream Deck plugin. You can engage the hardware level mute on your Wave microphone or Wave XLR and toggle Wave gain lock. Have you ever wanted to have a moving video background instead of a still image for your camera? With Camera Hub 1.6 and a supported NVIDIA RTX GPU, you can now use videos for your background replacement. Camera Hub includes some incredible professionally designed backgrounds to get you started, and of course, you can use your own. We suggest backgrounds at 1080p resolution at 30 or 60 FPS in MP4 format. Mac users, this one's for you. This update to Camera Hub makes it an Apple Silicon native application. What this means is that it'll run even better and faster on your M1 or M2 Apple Silicon-based Mac. Stream Deck 6.1 focuses on quality of life features, and I'll cover just the highlights. For the full changelog, check the link in the video description. There are two types of people in this world, those who are normal, and those who don't like the green progress icon on multi-actions. Good news, everyone can be happy. You can now disable the green progress icon. In plugin news, earlier in the year, we launched dial support for OBS Studio in the form of volume control, and since then, the team has been hard at work adding new exciting features and improvements. You will find two new actions in the action list, toggle virtual camera and change profile. They do exactly what they're called. Turn on and off your virtual camera and change the profile. Note that to change the profile, OBS cannot have any encoding active. This means no streaming, recording, or virtual camera. The audio mixer action got its much overdue glow up. This single action now gives access to three powerful audio modes: mute, which it was before, set for setting source volume to a specific level, and adjust for changing the volume of a source each time the key is tapped. Let's take a deeper look. The mute option was expanded, enabling push to talk and push to mute, perfect as a bleep button. Remember, you can use this on any audio source, not just your mic. It could be a game, media source video, or even your friend's voice chat if they're being annoying. The adjust action can be configured with standard static icons or span across two keys using faders. Set the icon style to either horizontal or vertical fader. To create the other half of the fader, my personal recommendation is to copy the key you just made, paste it, and then set the step side to the opposite. It's that easy. We know how tedious it can be to set up lots of sources, and so we thought long and hard about how to make that easier. Now, each OBS action will automatically pull in the source's name and set it as the title. You can of course type in your own if you'd like, or if you don't want any text at all, press the spacebar once. The source visibility action will now show the source type as the icon based on the selected source. This will make it much easier to identify which source you're controlling. Twitch plugin 1.8 comes with a new shield mode action, and the marker action has been updated with description functionality. Twitch added shield mode as a quick way to protect yourself in the unfortunate event that your channel is the target of a hate raid. Now you have shield mode access at your fingertips at all times. Markers have been improved with the ability to set a marker description. A marker description will show up in the VOD timeline, making it easy to find those perfect moments for creating clips and highlights. Set yourself one marker for funny moments, boss fight, maybe a new follower subscriber, and much more. Lastly, the Microsoft Teams plugin is back. Control your microphone and camera, or send a reaction in chat. This makes managing your team session a breeze. Check out our video spotlight, link in the description. Wow, that was a lot to go through. Wow. Whew, that was a lot to go through. If you've made it this far, you're awesome. And I'd like to know, what do you think of this format? Is there something you'd like to see included? Let us know below and leave a comment telling us which new features you're looking forward to using or which is your favorite. Until next time, thanks for watching. Wow, absolutely incredible. Oh, it's rewind time.